Aarti Kute, your Vedic Maths expert. Improve your calculating skills with Vedic Maths. Vedic Maths comprises of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. In short, we have different methods to solve a particular problem. Let's take a simple example like 19 into 11. This particular problem can be solved in 6 different ways using Vedic Maths. Yes, 6 different ways. Let's understand each method. First, multiplication by 11. Here, I write the digit in the ones place as it is. I write the digit in the tens place as it is. I add both the digits and write in between, balance, and my final answer is 209. It's a one-step method. Second, base method. Multiplication using base method. Here, for both the numbers, my base is 10. My deviation from the base for 19 is 9 and for 11 is 1. When I solve this particular sum, I take the product of the deviation, use the butterfly addition to solve this, multiply it with the first digit of the base, and further I balance it out. My answer is 209. The third method is the general method. In the general method, again, all these methods are one step. 19 into 11, I derive it in 3 columns. The last column, I multiply the digit in the ones place. The middle column, I multiply the digit crosswise and add it. And in the first column, I multiply the digit in the tens place. Now, once I balance it, I get the answer 209. The fourth method is multiplication of numbers ending in 9. Meaning, here 19, which is our multiplicand, will become multiplier. 11 into 19. We'll take the nearest round figure, 20, and multiply with our multiplicand. So that's 220. Now we all know multiplication is repeated addition. So here we are getting 11 into 20. We are multiplying 11 20 times, or we are adding 11 20 times. So we need to subtract. We need to subtract it with what? We are going to subtract it with the multiplicand. And our answer is 209. Coming to the fifth method, that is multiplication of numbers ending with 1. Now here, again 11 is my multiplier. I take the nearest 10, that's 10. I multiply 19 into 10. So here it is 190. As I told you earlier, multiplication is repeated addition. So here I am multiplying or adding 19 10 times. I need to add one more time. So what do? I add here 19, which is the multiplicand, and my answer is 209. In the sixth method, the condition is the sum of the digits in ones place is 10 and the digits in ones place is same. That time we use this method. Now here if I see 19 into 11, 9 plus 1, the digit in the ones place, if I add, it's 10. So how do I solve this particular sum? I would multiply the digit, or I'll take the product of the digit in the ones place and prefix it with a 0, and I will take the successor of the digit in the tens place. My answer is 209. So a simple sum 19 into 11 can be solved using 6 different methods. In case if you forget any of the step in between, you have other methods, easier methods, one-step method, which can help you solve the particular sum faster. Hence, Vedic Maths is easier in calculating skills required for maths.